All right, I think we are all set to go. So let's talk about yesterday loss. It was like it was like this 140 $175 loss. Yeah, we had like yesterday. And we are like still we are like remaining is 347 out of 1500. That's fine. But yesterday we had this loss, and yeah, we learned something. Like, so let's talk about the loss. Okay, so first thing was the daily, right? We like really got the bottom wick, and this was the support. So what the market did is like it came up, tapped this zone, right? Tap this area. Like this was basically like this. Okay, tap this area and flipped. Daily flipped, right? The daily flipped, but it didn't like create a like good week uh, to go up. The thing is that we needed to grab liquidity down here before going up, but that didn't happen. Okay, it just came like little bit and straight push up. That is like very rare that the market do. So right, and so yesterday this the sell idea was this. Like first we had a zone here, right? This 4 hour candle first created a bottom wick. Like, okay, like let's keep in mind that the like the candle, what the candle do, that candle either like first create, if the candle create bottom wick first, then there is high probability that it can drive up. If it is create the top wick first, and then it has high probability that market's gonna go down. Okay, but what this did was it came down, create a bottom wick, right? Create a bottom wick and went up. Okay, went up. So there was no buys and like no sells there. It was straight buys. The concept, like if we look logically, then it's buys, right? So why did I take sales then? Why? The thing that why did I take sales is because like this 1 hour candle, what this 1 hour candle did, it closed bullish, right? Bullish. And our concept was the market has to at least come to these areas, which is daily support. These are like this, which is daily support. uh, it has to tap this area before going like up. Okay, that was the idea. Okay, and that was the idea. And so why we took this sales, this is because this was not took sales here, this was a sell on a flip. Okay, let me explain you. So this is the 1 hour candle, right? Let's go to 15. Okay, if we see what this candle did, it the first candle went up, right? Went up, created a top wick first. This 1 hour candle created a top wick, and what the like it created top wick. We expected market to at least come tap these and flip on a flip. On a flip, at least tap this area, right? Create a bottom like lower low before going up. That was the idea, but like unfortunately that didn't happen. It just tapped, we got activated and straight up. Okay, that was the idea. That was like totally the plan was totally followed. The only thing that was not in our like bias was this 4 hour candle. 4 hour candle first created bottom wick, so we expected, like, logically thinking, it wants to go up. On daily we had like support tap, and on weekly, so on weekly what we have is weekly also created a bottom wick first and it's going up. And monthly, like, monthly, that's on monthly, if you see, then we have like bottom wick remaining to form here, like tap this area, right? So that was our overall trade. And the second trade, I took the second trade, it was like good, right? I took pretty good trade in the second, but I like closed it early. I mean, like, I closed it emotionally, I think, right? So on this trade, why I took this trade is that the market, like, there is no topic, right? No topic, and like there is liquidity down here, and market went up without creating a bottom wick. It was up, going up, creating a top wick. So on a flip, I took a sell. Okay, I took a sell on a flip, and like expect market to at least come to these areas. Like it was like 20 pips range. If we see on left, we have range in 5 minutes. So I thought like at least market has to tap this before going up. That was the idea. Yeah, it closed pretty good. It closed bearish. That's very nice. And the next candle, what the next candle did was it went up, creating a bottom wick. Okay, it creating a bottom wick, and without creating a bottom wick, and like this, we had an advantage point, right? One is like flip, and another is tap on these areas. So I took a sell on the wick entry here, and the market like drive down to this point, right? Let me mark here. You see in 5 minutes, you can see here that the market, I took a one sell here, another sell here, and it took it like drived around 22 pips. But like my target was like these areas, okay, which eventually got tapped, but my target was these areas, and I kept my stop above here, right? My stop was uh around these area, looking on the left, right? Let's go to 1 hour. And my stops were like these areas above this structure, right, at the first. But on the second, I took like, I bring my stops above here. And what this candle did, it got me here. Okay, what it did, well, it came down, created a bottom wick, 1 hour created a bottom wick, and the next candle started to push up, right? The top wick was already created, uh, already created, which was this. I mean, like, if we see in 5 minutes, can we see 5 minutes? Yeah, this was the top wick that was already created, right? It came down, flipped down, and it created a bottom wick, and again started to push up. What does that mean? That means like it went up, created a top wick, and the next came down, flip, and the next candle is coming up. So it was like this. Okay, this was just a fake out, man. This was just a fake out. Like it straight came down. Okay, that was like pure fake out above this zone, and I got there. I got caught there. Like I thought like that. This 1 hour is gonna close. right? This 1 hour gonna 1 hour create bottom wick, it's gonna come up and fill the range and hit my stop. Then I like I had already lost a bigger loss there if I also wait and I had like two position running, right? It was like 40 and not it would be like another $100 loss, which is like pretty big. And I got scared of that and I closed there with $40 loss. And but eventually it came and tap here. Okay, that's fine because I learned something. I learned a lot yesterday, if I have to say. Okay. Yeah, that's it for today. And my mentor, who is also Donvo, he like he also lost like something like 230 pips. But I think he say he posted a story about like I how I make my loss back, or like 60K back. I thought he posted like that. If that is, then that is like, what to say. If we look here, then I see no opportunities here. Okay, after that loss, it was tapped here. This was the opportunity. If I can say that this was the trade I take. There was a pure opportunity. But rather than that, I don't see any opportunity because like this daily candle haven't grabbed the liquidity yet, and or if the trade is like this is the range, and the market will tap these areas. If we tap these areas, then what it do, comes down for liquidity to go up. If that is the trade, then it is possible that you can take a trade here. But not if not, then what's the range? 60 pips. Yeah, all right. That's it. That's the thing about yesterday. Thank you.